dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí que muñeca. Me gusta salir y seducir.
Okay guys, we have a very interesting video today. First and foremost, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching another one of our videos. Today, without further ado, as you saw on the introduction, we're going to talk about this bad boy here, okay? You saw the unboxing on the introduction video. So we're gonna take this bad boy out and we're gonna talk about it. So there is the Business Platinum. Let's go ahead and remove this sticker from here. There you go, what a beauty. All right guys, so here it is. This is the Business Platinum. We're gonna talk about the benefits, data points. We're going to talk about how does this car fit into your business depending on what type of business you do. We're not going to be able to talk about all of the benefits. I mean, there's so many benefits with this car that it's impossible for us to cover all of them in this video, but we're going to do our very best to cover as much as possible about this car. So we're also going to talk about how I will use this car to continue to grow my business, continue to leverage the business credit, to keep expanding and creating multiple streams of income, like you guys have witnessed that we've done. So far, we've created about 3 streams of income with leveraging our business credit. Also, we're going to touch upon advantages and disadvantages on the car. To be honest with you, so far, based on my business and what we do, I do not see any disadvantages just yet, but we're still going to go over those bullet points. Okay, so first of all, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the rewards. Just briefly touch upon the rewards. How many points do you get for what? Again, I don't want to do kind of like an in-depth video. I wanted to show the approval on the car. I wanted to show the unboxing of the card. Maybe I will do kind of like another video diving into the rewards and the benefits, how I use the car for the business, because I just got the car, so I don't have that content to talk to you how this car is benefiting the business, okay? But really quickly, let's touch upon the benefits and the rewards points and things like that. So one of the benefits that this car offers is a $200 airline fee credit for incidentals. Also, you get $200 in statements credit for Dell. Also, there are a lot of perks when booking hotels with the card, especially in kind of like high-end hotels. If you're booking kind of like those fine hotels, you get a lot of perks with those too. So you also earn 1.5 points for purchases of $5,000 and up. So also you get 5 points for membership rewards points on flights and hotels booked and paid in advance with the card. But in order for you to qualify for that, it has to be done via the amextravel.com in order for you to qualify for those. I think this is one of my favorites though, because sometimes you arrive early to the airport and you're just pretty much like sitting down there in an uncomfortable seat. The access to the lounges, it's a great one. If you arrive early to the airport, you have access to the Delta Sky lounges, you have access to the Centurion lounges. There are about 1,300 lounges around the world that you have access to. So these are some of the benefits in terms of rewards and points that you get for this card. And just tying this up with the business credit, this card reports to DMB and also reports to the SBFE, the Small Business Financial Exchange, which is huge for us as business owners that we are building business credit. So this is a huge step. Not only you're getting rewards more than any other card, but also your business credit is being built up as you use the card. And I wanted to mention too that if you have, probably a big staff in your company, you have a lot of employees, you are able to add up to 99 cars for your employees. So that's a good perk too, that you can add as many cards as you want for your employees, and you can track their expenses. You can assign limits to those cards as well. So there's a lot that you can do in terms of expense management. So guys, again, I mean, this is a huge step for us utilizing this card. So as you know, these cards, they don't have a set limit. So you have to be responsible, of course. And as you use the card and you show like a very good payment history, that strengthens your relationship with Amex, and you can also access other products from them. And one thing that I wanted to mention, Jen, we're almost wrapping this video up. I have been surrounded by a lot of good individuals who have been paramount to the growth of the business, to the growth of the YouTube channel, and the journey in which I embarked a few months ago for building business credit. So I want to really thank these individuals that have been really mentors and also providing good information out of the goodness of their heart, because they don't have to help anybody, but they have helped me a lot, tremendously. You need good people around you with good positive energy. There's a saying that you are the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. So Professor Crane is a huge contributor of the channel. We've been really communicating on a daily basis, and having him really in my corner, giving me advices, giving me information, helping me in my business credit journey has been paramount. Another individual, Charles White. Charles White is a wealth of knowledge. He has been very helpful, and I feel so blessed, to have these 2 individuals that I can, text, I can talk to, I can call on the phone. It's very important, guys, that you surround yourself with like-minded people, and even if they don't have your same mindset, I mean, you can always learn from them. So again, these individuals have been paramount to the growth of this channel, the growth of our group, which is close to 17,000 members. That is just mind-boggling, guys. So again, surround yourself with positivity, good people that are not going to harm you later on when you are not friends anymore. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions about the Business Platinum, please let me know. Have you applied for it? If you haven't, let me know, how are you using this card to benefit your business, to expand your business, to create multiple income streams like we have done. Drop your comments down below. Let us know what has been your experience with this card. And if you have any negative experience, also feel free to share it with us. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Peace.
gusta salir y seducir.